My name is Roy Watson. I'm an attorney in West Palm Beach, Florida. I'm with the law firm of Adams, Kugler, Watson, and Merkel. I have been practicing for more than 40 years. The majority of my practice over the last 40 years in particular has been the defense of medical malpractice cases representing doctors, physicians, dentists, and other healthcare providers. I also have done some other general defense work, and I have represented lawyers in legal malpractice cases. I have been asked by Dr. Melissa Pygott and David Faust on behalf of Magnus Research Consultants, Inc., which is their company, to give this testimonial about them and their company. I have used Magnus Research Consultants going back about 15 years. I know it's been a half a dozen or more cases, and I'm happy to be able to state in every case that they have worked with me and my clients on. The cases have resulted in either defense verdicts in those cases that were tried, or settlements that my clients found most reasonable and satisfactory. I could not recommend this group any more than possible, and recommend their use by any lawyer that has any case of any significance, particularly cases that, from the defense perspective, that involve multi-party litigation, that is multi-defendants. In particular, I have found that Magnus has been very helpful in permitting us to define our case, to define what the strengths of our case, the strengths are, and how to best present those to the jury, and at the same time to recognize the weaknesses of our case and how to best present and deal with those weaknesses at trial. In multi-party cases, oftentimes, although we lawyers attempt to put up a united defense, it becomes very difficult, particularly in dealing with some clients. And I have found that when we can get all parties involved with Magnus, that we are usually, or we've been able to find a way to reconcile those differences and put up a united defense. Which we all know in the defense of a malpractice case, a medical malpractice case, if you don't have a united defense, it's almost impossible to win a case. And also, at the same time, they're able to help us not only to put up a united front, that where there are some differences, how to best handle those without destroying the case. I've also found that they're very, very helpful in helping us to recognize and define what would be the best juror for the given case that we have sought assistance with. And we all know that jury selection in these cases is probably the single most important part of the trial. I'm thinking back, I think it was over 15 years ago when I first used Magnus in a case. Down through the years, I have found, and another thing that I think is very good about Magnus, they will work with the lawyers to assist them in different ways. It's not just a cookie-cutter operation where they present your case in a mock jury trial and do it the same way every time. We all recognize in some cases that there are some economics involved. There is a significant expense in using Magnus or any other company that assists you in helping to prepare your case and best try your case. But Magnus will work with you on a given case, and they've done that with me on numerous cases. Again, I could not recommend them more. They truly help a lawyer, even a very experienced lawyer, to best define the case and best present the case to the jury. If you use Magnus, I wish you good luck. Thank you.